Build production systems that can handle millions of requests in just 60 days. This 60-day DevOps engineering course focuses on building ultra-scalable platforms using technologies like OpenTofu, Argo CD, and Kubernetes. Most courses only teach scripts, but production demands robust systems. You often face, quote, tutorial hell, skill gaps in areas like security and MLOps, and code that breaks at scale, hindering your career progression. Staying in tutorial hell means career stagnation and missed promotions. Platform engineers command a 26.6% salary premium, currently unclaimed by those without production-ready skills. Don't miss the AI/DevOps convergence. The solution is a 60-day program centered around 5 real projects. Every lesson builds toward a live, scalable system, starting with TechScale, a complete social media platform built on a 2024-2025 technology stack. You will build 5 production projects for your portfolio: TechScale core infrastructure, a production CI/CD pipeline, a full observability stack, a zero-trust security platform, and an MLOps and AI-native platform. Our flagship project, TechScale, is built for 10 million plus concurrent users. It covers everything from user management and real-time messaging to AI recommendations and GPU video processing, using a modern stack including EKS, Istio, and Kafka. Our methodology ensures you learn by doing. Phase 1 covers foundation and infrastructure. Phase 2 focuses on advanced operations and security. Phase 3 integrates AI and hyperscale concepts. The daily coding constraint enforces production patterns. In 60 days, you move from foundation to production-ready hyperscale architecture. This roadmap delivers 5 portfolio projects through daily, hands-on coding, ensuring a production-ready outcome. You get 60 days of hands-on coding, 5 production-grade projects, and complete source code. Plus, lifetime access, a private community, a certificate of completion, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Access the full 60-day course with all 3 phases and 5 projects for a one-time payment of $175, granting you lifetime access. It is rated as an intermediate-level course. You can also access the private newsletter and community via Substack. Options include monthly for $15, annual for $150, or a lifetime pass for $249. Compare your options. The main website offers the full course for a one-time purchase of $175. Substack offers access to the archive and community, starting at $15 monthly. Both options include a 30-day guarantee. It's time to gain production-ready skills for modern developers. Enroll now at www.systemdrd.com. We look forward to seeing you on day 1.